Welcome to our channel, where we dive into the world of finance and entrepreneurship. Today, we're going to summarize 0 to 1 by Peter Thiel, a book that has been widely acclaimed for its insights on building successful startups. Thiel, a co-founder of PayPal and Palantir, shares his expertise on what it takes to create a thriving business from scratch. He argues that the next big thing will not be an incremental improvement on existing products, but rather something entirely new and innovative. This concept is at the core of 0 to 1, and it's what sets the book apart from other entrepreneurship guides. Thiel begins by emphasizing the importance of thinking for yourself and questioning conventional wisdom. He encourages readers to be contrarian and to look for opportunities in areas where others see only obstacles. This mindset is essential for creating something truly new and innovative. Thiel also stresses the need to focus on the future and to think about what the world will be like in 10 or 20 years, rather than just trying to solve current problems. By doing so, entrepreneurs can create businesses that will be relevant and successful in the long term. One of the key concepts in 0 to 1 is the idea of a monopoly. Thiel argues that the most successful companies are those that have a monopoly on a particular market or industry. This doesn't mean that they have to be the only player in the market, but rather that they have a unique value proposition that sets them apart from their competitors. Thiel also emphasizes the importance of creating a strong brand and building a loyal customer base. By doing so, companies can create a moat that protects them from competition and allows them to maintain their market share. Thiel also discusses the importance of teamwork and building a strong company culture. He argues that the most successful companies are those that have a strong sense of mission and purpose, and that are able to attract and retain top talent. Thiel also emphasizes the need for companies to be adaptable and to be willing to pivot when circumstances change. This requires a culture of experimentation and a willingness to take risks. By fostering a culture of innovation and experimentation, companies can stay ahead of the curve and continue to grow and thrive. In addition to these concepts, Thiel also discusses the importance of sales and marketing. He argues that sales is not just about pushing a product, but rather about understanding the customer's needs and creating a solution that meets those needs. Thiel also emphasizes the need for companies to be able to tell a compelling story about their product or service, and to be able to communicate their value proposition in a clear and concise way. By doing so, companies can build a loyal customer base and create a strong brand that will endure over time. Thiel also explores the concept of secrets and how they can be used to create a competitive advantage. He argues that there are still many secrets in the world that have not been uncovered, and that companies that are able to uncover these secrets can create new and innovative products and services. Thiel also emphasizes the importance of being able to think for yourself and to question conventional wisdom. By doing so, entrepreneurs can uncover new secrets and create new opportunities for growth and innovation. The book also touches on the topic of competition and how it can be a destructive force in business. Thiel argues that competition can lead to a focus on short-term gains rather than long-term success, and that it can stifle innovation and creativity. Instead, Thiel advocates for a focus on creating a monopoly and building a strong brand that will endure over time. By doing so, companies can create a sustainable competitive advantage and achieve long-term success. Thiel also discusses the importance of distribution and how it can be a key factor in the success of a business. He argues that companies need to be able to get their product or service to customers in a way that is convenient and efficient. Thiel also emphasizes the need for companies to be able to create a strong distribution channel that will allow them to reach a wide audience. By doing so, companies can create a scalable business model that will allow them to grow and thrive over time. In the final chapters of the book, Thiel reflects on the current state of the tech industry and the challenges that it faces. He argues that the industry has become too focused on incremental innovation and that it needs to think more about creating truly new and innovative products and services. Thiel also emphasizes the need for entrepreneurs to think about the big picture and to consider the potential impact of their ideas on society as a whole. By doing so, entrepreneurs can create businesses that will have a lasting impact and will create a better future for all of us. In conclusion, 0 to 1 is a must-read for anyone who is interested in entrepreneurship and building a successful business. Till's insights and ideas are thought-provoking and challenging, and they will force you to think differently about what it takes to create a thriving business. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting out, this book will provide you with a new perspective on what it takes to succeed in the business world. So, if you're looking for a book that will inspire and motivate you to build a successful business, then 0 to 1 is the book for you.